In order to properly map different layers such as hybrids and other information, the 700 Pro needs to have work conditions. So we're going to go through setting up work conditions right now. We go back and go to the work condition page, and we've got several different tabs along the bottom. All of them will allow you to create a new work condition in them. So we're going to start by adding a new work condition, and I like to have a corn and then the year for our work condition name. Put your seeds per disc in this work condition. It will be saved for the work condition. Then you need to go to your layer, and you also need to have a control set up. So if we're doing just one hybrid for the whole planter, we'd be seed, and then you need to choose a product that you should have set up earlier, and now we have that associated to this layer in this work condition. All of these other settings are also tied to this work condition, and they will stay with that work condition. So now if you plant beans with the same planter, you'll also want to make a new work condition for beans. And we can type our seeds per disc into here. It's going to ask us if we want to copy it, and we're going to say no. And then over on layer, we got to choose seed, and here's our beans that I set up earlier. So now we have a bean product set up to our seed layer on our work condition for beans. And now when we switch back between corn and beans, it will change our seeds per disc automatically for us, and all the settings that we set for planting corn will be tied to the corn work condition, and all the settings that we set for planting beans will be assigned to the bean work condition. After you switch the work condition, you also need to remember to go back to the run screen and choose what crop type you're on as well. So I'm going to switch to beans, my work conditions on beans, etc. So when I want to go back to corn, I can switch to my corn work condition, switch my crop type to corn, and that will automatically switch my seeds per disc over to the correct number, and it'll throw my product in there under work condition and layer, and all those settings will stay tied to the corn or the bean work condition.